lesson today is about powers. Rama said for me that she know what the meaning of a power. Can you explain for us and for your friends, please?
Yes, power means that a number up to it is a number.
Okay.
Uh, Maybe not 2 power 3. It it means that 2 times 2 times 2. يعني 2 that means 2 3 times.
So you multiply by itself 3 times. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. طيب. So welcome to our first session about power. What do you know? What do you want me to know about you? Are you well prepared for online sessions? Do you have any fear regarding math? Let's see. So in this chapter, we learn today how to write a power and how to calculate the product of two powers of the same positive number. These are the objective of this lesson. Okay, teacher? Who can relate this lesson with our daily life? Does anyone have an idea? So let's read this and know what the meaning of a power. Exponents were the problem. Hydra. It's about an animal. Its name is Hydra. Okay, let's read what it's down written. Read it, yeah, Rama, please.
Yes. Hydra. Learned Hydra is a mythological character
Mythological
that
character.
appears in some stories such as the um,
12
the
tasks of
12 tasks.
Hercules. So, it's about an animal that appears in some stories about 12 years ago in Hercules. قصص خيالية مس. اوكي مس. هو عبارة عن حيوان عنده كذا راس مثل ما شايفين بالفيجر. كل ما قطعنا راس منه بدل كل راس بيطلع 2. اوكي continue reading. The Hydra.
The Hydra was a one-headed monster, but it is caught when Mrs. Shishi, oh here, when it is cut off, 2 more heads grow
In its place.
in
So
its
if you cut
place.
one head, 2 head comes in its place. Continue يا لارا.
If a hero tried to conquer
conquer it. يعني يقدر
uh,
يقتله.
it by cutting off all its head every day, how many heads would the Hydra have on the third day?
And
At the end of the day,
10 days of
of
trying
10
to
days
kill
of
it.
trying
So
to
I
kill it.
want to know now, how many heads does Hydra has if each day I will cut one head from it. Okay? So in the first day I will cut the first head. Instead of one, how many head I will have?
2.
2.
Two.
Third day also I will cut the third day. Also it's the same. I will get 3 head. The fourth day. We are going to solve the first question in this problem by considering the first day. Continue, Rama. The first
Solution is
day.
upon cutting the head off, the monster had 2 heads.
So,
The second
continue. The second day, upon cutting
the
both
second
heads
day,
off,
upon cutting both
they
heads
doubled,
off,
teacher. So they doubled. I will multiply it by itself 2 times. So 2 heads I have. Instead of 1, I will get 2. So it will be 4. The third day,
the third
the
the
heads
heads
doubled
again.
again. So 2 times 2 times 2. I have 8 heads. Finally, in order to know how many heads it had on the third day, we have to multiply it by 2, 3, to multiply 2 3 times. I should multiply the 2 3 times. In order to solve the second problem, we had to make the same procedure, but it's a little larger scale. So instead to multiply it 3 times, I should multiply now the 2 by itself 10 times. It's a lot, right? For this, it will be easier to write if we use exponents or power, expressing the same operation in the following style. It's the same meaning, the same calculation, but it's different ways to write it. Instead to write 2 times 2 times 2 and repeat it every time, I will write it as a power. It's 2 power 10. That's mean the 2 was multiplying by itself 10 times. That's mean the power. The power is a repetition of multiplying the number by itself. By itself. Not 2 times 10. It's not 2 times 10. It's 2 times 2 times 2, 10 times. I will multiply by myself 10 times. So the answer it will be 1024 heads in the 10th day. And at the day 10, the Hydra has 1024 heads. Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Let's make some example about power. If I have 3 power 2, that's mean 3 times 3, not 3 times 2. 3 times 3, that's mean 9. 5 power 2, also it's 5 times 5, that's mean 20, 25.
25.
Here in the 10, just I will write the number of zeros as a power. I have 2 0, that's mean power 2. Here 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5, not 5 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times. Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
now how to read 3 to power 2? I have 3 ways to read it. First way I can say 3 to power 2, or 3 exponent 2, or 3 squared. That's mean any number that has a power 2, we can call it squared. Maybe I have 125 power 2 to power 2. That's mean I can read it 125 to power 2, or 125 exponent 2, or 125 squared. So power 2, I can say in another way, squared. Also, I want to tell you something, that also if I have a number like that power, the biggest one, down one, it's called base. The 3 is the base. And the up one is the power or the exponent. How we read it? 3 to power 2, 3 exponent 2, 3 squared. Or how to read to the power 3 now? We can read it 5 to power 3, 5 exponent 3, or 5 cubed. That's mean the 3 has a name cubed and the 2 has a name squared. Okay, teacher?
Yes.
First of all, let's solve this exercise. If you read here, the power is 4 exponent 3. They choose here the word exponent. You can choose what? 4 cubed. 4 to power 3 also. What is the power? What is the power here? If you look, teacher, the number down is the power. It's a power of 4. The 4 was repeated. It's a power of 4, and 4 is called the base. And the 3 is the exponent or the power or cube. So it's a power of 4. That's mean 4 times 4 times 4. I will move to yes, Jana Asim. Yalla, solve the first or the second one for me. It's how we read it. Can you read it for me?
The second one.
Yes,
Okay. 10 over 4.
10 exponent 4, not 10 over. It's not a fraction.
Yes, okay.
10
It's
exponent
10
4.
exponent 4
What is the power?
and
It's a power of what?
of 4.
No? Look at the base.
It's a power of 10.
Okay, and if you want to write it,
I write it 4
Michelle,
times 4
no,
times
no. You look at the base and you multiply it, not the
Oh,
power.
10 times 4.
So 10.
Sorry, 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times.
Very good. I will multiply the base by itself 4 times. Okay? 4 times.
Okay.
Yes, Hadi Ramadan. 7
Yes,
exponent 5. How we write it?
7.
Yes. 7 down. And what's up?
5.
5. It's a power of what? Look, what is the base?
7 over 7.
7. So how many times I will multiply what now?
7 times. 5 times. 5
7
times.
5 times. Okay, 7 times, etc. Okay. حسين السباعي. يلا حسين. It's 8 or what?
8.
Teacher, can I solve it?
No, it's 8. I'm talking to Hussein. 8 power 4. Yes, Hussein, continue. So 8 exponent
8 exponent 4.
4. What is the power? It's a power of 8. Very good. I will look to the base. Okay, it's 8 times 8 times 8, and you calculate them on a scratch paper. Here we are, the answers. Did you see them? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions?